Hello guys, my name is Sukhman. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will tell you about the difference between these 8 types of coffee. For a better understanding, I have divided these into 4 categories. First and most important category includes espresso and doppio. Espresso is a short and strong drink with a mixture of coffee powder and boiled water. It is used as the foundation of most of the coffee drinks. Next is doppio. Doppio is the Italian word for double. It's just the double of espresso. It's highly concentrated and strong drink, but less strong than espresso. In the second category, there are 3 types of coffee: Americano, flat white, and Macchiato. First one is Americano. In this, a larger amount of hot water is poured over espresso to make it weaker, turning a small cup of espresso to a larger cup of coffee. The ratio for this drink is 1 part espresso and 2 parts water. In this category, the second one is flat white, a coffee drink with double espresso and steamed milk. Its name is flat white as it contains milk in it. Next is Macchiato. This is espresso with a little milk foam. This is the second most strongest coffee after the espresso because there is no milk and no water. Only the milk foam is present in this coffee. In Italian, meaning of this word is stained or spotted. So the literal translation of macchiato coffee is stained coffee. In the third category, there are 2 types of coffee drinks: cappuccino and latte. Cappuccino is an Italian coffee drink that is traditionally prepared with equal parts of espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam, or sometimes cream. Means variations of the drink involve the use of cream instead of milk. Next is latte. Latte is made with a fairly large amount of steamed milk, but with a smaller amount of milk foam. Latte is similar to cappuccino, but while a cappuccino is comprised of equal parts of espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam, a latte is made with much more milk than cappuccino. It means a latte is milkier than a cappuccino, but the cappuccino is more stronger than latte. In the last category, there is another coffee drink known as mocha. For all you chocolate lovers out there, you will fall in love with this coffee, or maybe you already have. This coffee combines espresso with hot milk and chocolate and is a variant of latte. The espresso milk of a mocha is exactly like latte, over which dark chocolate is added. Means the difference is only of chocolate. This is a chocolatey coffee. Now we will do a quick revision of all these types of coffee drinks: espresso, coffee powder and water; doppio, just a double shot of espresso; Americano, espresso and water; flat white, espresso and milk; macchiato, espresso and milk foam; cappuccino, espresso, milk and milk foam, all in equal amount; latte, espresso, milk and a small amount of milk foam. Means the difference between these two is the amount of milk foam; mocha, espresso, milk, milk foam and chocolate. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, then be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please share your doubts and suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.